I'm going to be showing you how to use the Magic Eyeliner Lashes and Mascara Kit. It's 4 steps. So, step 1 says to shake the eyeliner before use. I've already shaken it and everything. You shake it and then you push this button, well, it's the back of the pen in to put the ink through because originally it's pushed out. So you have to make sure you push it in. You gotta shake it, give it a few minutes to do its thing, you know? So you shake it, then it says apply the magic eyeliner along your lash line and let it dry. Apply. I'm applying it. I do a little wing or something. I never wear eyeliner until I got this eyeliner. I like how dark it is. So I'm applying the eyeliner on this side too. Y'all, excuse the leftover glue. I've been putting glue on my lash line, so it'd be kind of hard to get it off, not gonna lie. I'll do a little baby wing. Then let it dry. See how dark it is though? I love how dark it is. And it goes on so smooth. I really love this little tip it has. It said apply the magic eyeliner along your lash line and let it dry. 3, curl your natural lashes and apply the mascara. This is the mascara that they give you. So I'm going to take the mascara and curl my lashes. This mascara is really dark. I like it. Again, my lashes have glue from yesterday, so I didn't take it off. So if it's a little stuck together, don't mind that. But I really like this mascara. It really lengthens the lashes and separates them. I really like that. I'm gonna put some on my bottom too, just because we're at it. Okay. Ooh. So these are the Vicileylashes. And I'm gonna take them out. And all you have to do is just put it on. I don't know which way is which. I feel like it doesn't matter which eyelashes go on which. So I'm gonna put it with this one. And voila, it's stuck on by itself. Ah! That is it. Literally, that's all you have to do. That's literally it. And your lashes are on. They're very comfortable. They're very soft. They're not like hard or nothing. They're really cute, y'all. Yes, come through with the easy to go lashes.